This morning was a morning I pray for every night. Sunlight's all around me. California skies are bright blue. Ooh, and I'm thinking of you. And I wonder, oh yes, I wonder, are you thinking of me too? Then I ask myself, why would you do a foolish thing and let me into your mind? What trouble I would bring, but if it's trouble that you want it, I got it stored away. You could be my next accomplice, my lookout for a day, darling. Ooh, I would look out for you. 'Cause I like the way you smile, like the way you sneer, like the way you help me paint a picture so wonderfully clear. Oh darling, could I just stay here with you for a moment, just for a moment or two? Cloudy, cloudy eyes look into the light. Won't you let me try to get a read? Oh, oh, even though you tell me there's nothing there to see. Stormy, stormy eyes floating through my mind while I'm trying to hold on tight in all the wind. Oh, oh. 'Cause sitting still is starting to feel like sin. Aren't you afraid of blowing away? If you're as hollow as you say, I wanna be wrong about you. Hey there, rainy eyes, do you have a place to hide? And is it big enough to give you what you need? Oh, oh. And is it small enough to make you wanna leave sometimes? You got those thundry, thundry eyes, lighter than the sky. When you speak to me, do your words come from your heart? Yeah, you can lie to me long as you're not in the dark. Even though we both wanna change the world, I'm just a boy, you're just a girl. That's a pretty good start, I think.